Okay, guys and gals, we've made it down to the little town of Whitney, Texas, and we've just talked to a gentleman named Chuck. He said we can check out his collection in his backyard. He did say this 1970 Impala right here behind the house is not for sale, but let's go check out, see what he's got. Rusty up front, straight 6 car. Might be good for parts. Let's go see what else he's got. International. You said it's not for sale, right?
Yeah, it's not for sale. I didn't even know. I can't take a little bit of this field, like 50 cars and stuff.
Check out what's right here, right quick. And then there's more in the back, I think. It's like a little bit of new stuff, but there's a couple of old things over here maybe. He said he would sell any of this stuff, so I guess if you're looking for parts for something. Looks like we got a Falcon wagon. That International, he said he didn't want to sell it. There's a Bronco over there. Old Travelall, but he didn't want to sell it, so Ford truck. An F2. Might be good for a rat rod project. A couple of Ford Broncos. He might sell the Broncos, I don't know. Let's go see what else he's got.